Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that TRAC Ordinals token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, TRAC token TRAC is at the forefront of Bitcoin ecosystem innovation, offering unparalleled access and organization of Bitcoin vast data through TRAC core. This cutting-edge tool seamlessly integrates with the blockchain, fetching updates, sorting them mathematically, and making them readily available for analysis and searches via APIs. With continuous synchronization with the blockchain, TRAC ensures users have the most up-to-date information at their fingerprints. TRAC token total supply is 21 million and circulating supply is also 21 million TRAC token. TRAC token is listed on MEXC, Poloniex and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.